In this video, I'm going to teach you how to lock screen while watching YouTube on iPad. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. The first step to lock the screen of your phone while watching YouTube on iPad is to first open up the Settings menu and go into Accessibility. It is in the Accessibility tab by scrolling down that you can find the Guided Access option on the bottom of the page. After clicking on Guided Access, it will ask you to set up a passcode, so select Passcode Settings in Guided Access. Enter your passcode once and then do it again. Afterwards, go back to the accessibility screen and enable triple-click Home is selected for guided access. Now, since you've turned on guided access, as long as you do a triple click on the Home button, your screen will be locked. So all you have to do is open up YouTube on your iPad, play a video, and while the video is playing, click thrice on the Home button. It will bring up a menu where you can turn off the touch option for your iPad, and the video should resume playing as soon as you turn it off, as long as it was unpaused when you accessed the menu. I hope I was able to help you on how to lock screen while watching YouTube on iPad. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.